will be true to the promise I have made to you and you, the one who gave you to me. I will be here. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I will be here, will be together forever. 'Cause I will be mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig mo'y hanggang walang hanggan. Tanging ikaw lamang, hanggang may hingin pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig. Hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iibigin. Giniwang mo sana'y isipin, ikaw ay aking lisanin. Di ko magkagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, na ang sinisigaw ay lagi ng ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Giniwang mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magkagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. Hanggat may pag-ibig laging isisigaw. ang ikaw hanggang pag-ibig lagi isisigaw. Nothing is harder than saying goodbye to someone you love. May you find comfort in your memories. Again, on the behalf of Golden Haven Family Memorial Park Las Piñas, I am your funeral director and interment singer Ace. We offer the bereaved family